say that we're going to side bend to the right. It's not going to work. That's not a good strategy. I get compression. Transverse processes are in the way, and also the joints are in the way. So what does the body really do in a right side bending to overcome that stress? This is the coupling mechanism. Whoa. Wait. An orchestra has a director, right? So we side bend, right? So for the thoracic spine, approximately from T1 to T10, we get a side bending right with a rotation to the left. So that means in a side bend right, this side is the convexity. The left side is the convexity, the full side. And if this would be permanent, this side would be the scoliosis. And this is the empty negative or concave side. Yes?
Yes.
So let's come back and drop your transverse processes. So a side bending introduced first is always creating in the thoracic spine a rotation to the opposite side. And the reason for that is to decompress the vertebrae and the joints, the disc and joints. So that rule changes if I introduce rotation first. Then I don't deal with compression. And if I introduce rotation in a movement first, then I get side bending to the same side of the rotation. So if you introduce side bending, or you live in a side bending, you always get a rotation. Let's do it again. Yeah? T-piece, T-piece, T-piece. We're going to, let's side bend to the left, right? And in side bending, I introduce side bending first. Ta-da, ta-da, and ta-da. So now you see something else. There's something else what happens. This is side bending left, rotation right. So the convexity is to that side, right? You can also say that this side, the ribs on this side, have translated. In jazz, we call these translations. So it has translated. So that means translation and rotation happens always to the same side. And you need this knowledge, because when your client is supine on the floor, I cannot ask for rotation. I can ask for translation. So if I want translation, if I want rotation to the left, I translate the ribs to the left in order to make the correction in the spine. And, okay, good. Let your arms rest. Now, you are going to make up something. And they are going to give you the formula. So, I'm not saying anything. Go ahead, make up something. What do you want to show? I'm not here.
I guess it's something rotates.
Now you don't say it, you don't say it. Hey, do it. Right? And that's the side bending left. And what happens in side bending left? What are you guys seeing? What do you guys see?
Rotation.
What is this?
Rotation to the right.
Side bending left.
Good.
Translation right.
And do I see a translation?
Convex right.
Translation, right? That is also coupled with rotation, right? So translation, rotation, same side. Side bending, rotation, opposite side. And that is how you would read scoliosis. The scoliosis is read best from a posterior point of view. Thank you so much. Thank you. Do you have any questions? Is it